when I dive into an a Facebook ad audit, I see that they're optimizing for link clicks, and then I'm just
Right.
going, "Oh my
Yeah.
gosh!" Like, because they say, "I want more purchases. How do I do it?" And I see they're
Right.
optimizing for link clicks. I'm like, "Oh,
Right.
yeah, that's painful. That's painful to look at to optimize for those link clicks."
Yeah.
So, and it really just comes down to your optimization method. Like you really got to be optimizing for purchases because Facebook has Facebook isn't going to is going to try to work for you for their algorithm. So if you're optimizing for link clicks, someone's going to click that link and not purchase, and Facebook's going to say success. I did my job. That link click was a success. But if you optimize for purchases, and someone clicks your ad but doesn't convert, they're going to say failure, 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 and they're going to keep failing until someone purchases and it says success. I did my job. Now I'm going to go find other people that will also purchase my product, and then it will start optimizing as it gets more data. But if you're optimizing for link clicks, you're just not going to get the purchases you would like by really just doing optimizing for purchases. It's something you got to do on these platforms, and it's constantly changing.